Hey there everyone! Welcome to the Figs AI review. Currently, Figs AI is leading the charge by offering a unique space where you can create your own AI characters, known as Figs. Imagine building and interacting with Figs in a vast AI universe. This is more than just a platform, it's a creative playground for creators, explorers, and innovators. How? Let's explore. So, what exactly is Figs AI? Well, Figs AI gives you the power to create customized AI figures and interact with countless others in the community. Whether you're a creative looking to push the boundaries of AI or simply exploring new horizons, Figs AI offers limitless potential, and best of all, it's completely free. But what makes Figs AI different from other AI platforms? With advanced AI infrastructure, Figs AI supports up to 1 million daily users without requiring any monetization, providing an accessible platform for everyone. Now let's come down to what are the features of Figs AI. Create and customize Figs. Wondering how you can bring your creative ideas to life? Figs AI allows you to design unique AI characters, or Figs, each with their own personality and abilities. Community interaction. How can you connect with others? Figs AI offers a space to engage with the community and interact with countless Figs created by others. Completely free platform. Is it really free? Yes. Figs AI is completely free thanks to its innovative, cost-efficient technology. You can create and explore without worrying about hidden fees or paywalls. If you ask what is my final say on Figs AI, I give Figs AI a 3.5 out of 5. So why not a higher score? While it's a great platform for creativity, there are areas where improvements are needed. Interaction with Figs can feel limited as the AI struggles to understand real-time conversations. The characters could also be more realistic, and the app's interface needs to be simplified for better user experience. Right now, it can be a bit confusing for new users. That's it all from my side. If you're ready to dive into a world of AI creativity, Figs AI is waiting for you. Have you ever wondered how you could shape the future of AI? Join the community today and start exploring in all my other reviews on my channel. Do check out our website for more information and of course AI tool reviews. See you in the next one.